Yo, we will build a simple accordion element. Let's get right into it. First, you will create an index.html file and a style.css file. In the index file, you will write exclamation mark and then tab, so you get the basic structure. You can change the title to accordion or whatever you want. And then you will create a button element with the class accordion. Inside you will just write section 1, for example. And afterwards you will create a div with the class panel. And inside the div you will create a p tag with some basic lorem ipsum tag. So if we save that and check the page, this is what we have now. The button doesn't do anything, the text is visible, so let's remove the text. And for that we will need CSS. So let's connect our CSS file. In the head tag we will type link, and then as the href we will just type the name of our CSS file. And inside here you will just target the panel class, and inside the panel tag you will write max height 0 and overflow hidden. Let's check the page. You can see it's gone now. If you press the button, nothing happens. But now we will write the JavaScript code. So for that we will add a script tag right above our closing body tag. So in the script tag we will create a variable called accordion, and this will be document.getElements by class name, and we will write the class name accordion. This will get all the elements with the class name accordion. So let's say we have multiple sections, so another section. This will now get the first accordion element and the second accordion element. And to do something with these accordion elements, we will create a for loop. So we write for var I equals 0 if I is less than accordion.length. We will increase the variable I by 1. And inside we will now write accordion I dot add event listener click function, and here we have a event listener. So for each, so this for loop goes through each accordion element. I is in this case the accordion element, and checks if I is less than accordion length. Yes, it is, because we have 2 of those, so he will increase it by 1. So next we will create another variable and we will call it panel, and this will be this dot next element sibling. So this refers to the element that triggered the event. So in this case it's the accordion element, and the next element sibling is just the next element that comes after the button. And if the panel has a style which is max height, which it has because we added a max height of 0, we will set the max height of that panel to null. So this means that whenever you visit the page, all the accordions are closed at first. And else, so if they are closed and we click on it, the panel max height will be the panel scroll height plus pixel. So he will check the height of this element and attach the word, or attach the 2 letters pixel to it, and this will be its new height. So don't forget the semicolon, and we can save it, and let's try if it works. Refresh the page, and yeah, we have 2 now. So we press on section 1 and it opens and closes and opens and closes. So that's simply it. And if you want the same styling as here, I can just copy all the styles, and here are all the styles in case you want it to look a little bit nicer. So yeah, here we are. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.